exchange students.
Меня зовут Вика, и это вообще просто обалденно быть обменным студентом, особенно в Corvallis.
Je m'appelle Laurence et j'aime les patates et les carottes.
Jag gillar att äta sköldpaddssoppa till frukost.
My name is Vika and it's really very great to be an exchange student and I like Corvallis.
I like potatoes and carrots and my name is Laurence.
I like eat turtle soup for breakfast.
My name is Vika.
My name is Laurence.
My name is Albin Hellberg.
I'm from Ukraine. I'm from Uzhgorod. It's a sister city of Corvallis.
I'm from Montreal in Quebec in Canada.
I'm from Sweden.
When I came here 29 years ago, we had a foreign exchange program, or we accepted foreign exchange students from other countries here. And when one of my coworkers retired, I just took on being the liaison between the foreign exchange students and the high school.
I actually really like school because school is completely different than we have in Ukraine. For example, what we have in Ukraine is we have school and 600 students and from 1st till 12th grade and all in the same building. And here 1,000 students and all for your age, and the school is so huge and brand new.
Yeah, I like it really much. I really like the school. It's really awesome. But the town is really small. Like the school here, like in Montreal, the school is it's really a small school. It's just 500 people, and here it's really spirit and stuff like that. It's really cool, and my country, it's really a big town, so it's really different.
I like this school, but it's way bigger than my school in Sweden because it had 300 students, and here's 5 times that.
Bible study. Bible study.
One more time.
Bible study!
And now for the next upcoming segment, Art versus Sports.
She's got a mouth like a trucker and a mind like a roller coaster. She's got a finger on the trigger and she's surefire ready to go. She's got a body like a model.
I like sports better than art because in art you have to think about what you're doing. And in sports, you kind of just go out there and do what you do best.
Sports, because first of all, sports are more of an activity to get you more in shape when, this nation needs it a little bit more. And second of all, it gets you activated in team memberships, which is really good because team workship is good.
I like sports better because when I'm stressed out, I can go work out and it makes me feel better.
They both have their place. I like doing both. Art is pretty sweet. In sports, you can, hit people in football and stuff, and it's really cool. And each of them definitely have their place, but with art, you can express yourself, you can do all sorts of things, whereas sports is just kind of basic.
I choose arts because sports are way too materialistic and culture is way better.
My basic whole take on the thing is that everyone has their different thing, and mine's the arts.
Because sports are way too, I don't know, I can't talk.
I don't get much joy or satisfaction out of sports, but I can appreciate those who do and the reasons that they do. For me, the preference is arts and artsy types of things.
I like arts better than sports because you can actually express yourself better. You can show sorrow in your music, your art. You can also show anger.
What's done is done. We've just begun to kill. So save the breath you owe to me. You are forgiven, debts will end a trophy. Now there's nothing to keep holding back on me. This isn't happening, not coming back again. And I can't
Hi, I'm Eric Gordon, and this next piece is about my band, The Nobles. And basically, if I had to sum us up, I'd say we're a team of 5 ninja warlord assassins living in a modern world. And so there's me, and there's Kyle, there's Jesse, and there's Graham, and there's Abram.